Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Frock box shoe box. That is right, we are not quite done with Frock box on top of their regular favorites box, in which they send you 5 different pieces of clothing for you to try on and ship back if you're not interested. The gold box where they mail you a full outfit, and now this shoe box. So the shoe box is kind of like the gold box where they just send you a pair and you keep them, and that's pretty much the whole thing. It's a brand new service, so I was on the waiting list for a few months, and then in April they sent me my first box. So this video going up is about 1 month behind, as I received this shoe box a little bit after I received that gold box from last month, but I wanted to wait a month to post this video. So the cool thing about the shoe box is it's opt-in. So you join the list, and then each month, I'll insert a screenshot here, but they will tell you what the shoe is going to be. So for this month, they said, here it is, we've been waiting to show this off to you. One of our most popular shoes, the wedge sneaker redesigned. This trendy sneaker is perfect for spring with a cutout design and perforated detailing. Not only is it comfortable, the neutral camel color goes with just about everything. And then you can check the shoe out, you can see the brand, the type of shoe, the color, and then you opt in if you would like to receive this shoe box. You have to say yes or no before the first of the month, and then I believe the preview usually comes out around the 20th of the month, and then they'll ship the shoes around the 1st of the following month. The shoe box is a flat price. It's $64.99, and then they also charge you $9.95 shipping. So you're spending about 75 Canadian dollars to receive this box each month. But if you're not interested in the shoe preview, you can almost skip to the next month. So let's check out the shoes that they were advertising that I opt into. They mailed them with a tissue paper, and it's packaged very nicely. The bag you can hold on to and send back in case they don't fit or something. If the shoes don't fit for whatever reason, they still hold on to that $9.95 shipping charge though. So here is what the shoe actually looks like. As you can see, it is a platform, and they said the brand was Thistle and Clover, but then when you look inside, it says Yoki, so I don't know anything about Thistle and Clover or this Yoki brand, so I don't know if that's like a subdivision of the other brand or what, but you can see they sent me a size 7, and the shoe just zips up at the back. So I'm gonna hop outside and try these on for you so you can get a better idea of what they actually look like. And I think they're pretty good quality. They are all man-made material, and they are made in China, if you would like to know, and they just look like a really chunky sneaker. So I'm gonna hop outside, take you along with me, and let you see what they look like out and about. So the last thing I did once I received these shoes is hopped onto Frockbox website to kind of complete my order and let my stylist know what I thought about them. So after I filled out the email, I was having issues with the webpage. It kept saying there was an error, so I kind of gave up, and then I just emailed customer service and I was like, hey, just want to let you know I'm keeping these shoes. When I was looking at the confirmation page, just like the gold box, it looked like they were going to charge me an additional $15 to hold on to the shoes. So I was like, I don't want to like not pay you my money, but like your website's not taking my money, so let me know when you charge them. And the customer service lady got back to me. So glad to hear you love our selection for the first shoe box. No need to complete the feedback online, as this box is meant to be a prepaid box, as you had specifically chosen to receive it. And then she did a little further investigation, and she said, don't know what's happening. We accidentally charged you that $15 4 times, so we're taking that off. But it also should not be charging that $15. So I don't know if it's just a website thing, if this should have happened with a gold box where it's like all prepaid and they're not supposed to charge you any extra. But she did confirm there's no need to complete the order. They're going to have to get their system fixed for that shoebox. So maybe I should email them back and question, like, what about that $30 extra I paid for the gold box? Was that supposed to be paid? But so far at recording, I have not done it. Just continuing on with my life, you know? But the shoebox, I can confirm you don't have to pay anything extra. It is just a flat $64.99. That's pretty much it for my experience with the shoebox. Let me know what you think, if you think it's worth it for $60. For right now, I think I'm going to continue subscribing to the shoebox. I definitely am not going to get it every month, but I think it's kind of cool that you can opt in to receive pieces. So I don't think there's any harm of just being notified what I could purchase. As someone who doesn't really buy a lot of shoes, I'm not really sure if this brand or the shoe is actually worth the $65. But I feel like it was pretty much in line with my previous Frock box shoes that I received, and I did keep quite a few of those shoes, and I think so far they've been really nice quality. I've really enjoyed the ones that I've hung on to so far. So that is a look at the shoebox from Frock Box. If you're interested or trying to get onto the waiting list, I would say try it out. Worst you will do is not buy any shoes. Best thing will happen is you can like see what's up and trending for shoe styles this month. The final last note about Frock Box. I mentioned this in some of my other Frock Box videos, but Frock Box is actually out of St. Albert, Alberta, where I live here in Alberta, Canada. So I also love the option of having a service like this really local. Makes me feel good about shopping local and trying things out, supporting local companies, spreading the word out there for other people who might be interested. So again, if you're Canadian, Frock Box would be the first subscription box that I would be checking out as well. Not affiliated with them, never met any of them, just have emailed customer service a few times, and yeah, I've been trying their stuff out for a while. So anyway, that's it from me today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Well, hello guys. It's actually not the end of the video. I have decided to come back and give you an update on the shoes. So it's been a month now, and I had to say I freaking love these shoes. I would pay $75 for them again. They're very comfortable, easy to wear all day, even though they're heels. Apparently I forgot to take the sticker off. Gross. But yeah, I've been wearing them a lot. I really like them. They do go with a lot of different outfits. Getting a bit of a crease here. I think you're supposed to like stuff your shoes when you're not wearing them to prevent that. But I'm not too concerned about it. Yeah, I think these were a pretty good purchase overall. Like them. And again, I'm also surprised that these subscription box shoes fit every time. Like, I feel like when I go shopping on my own, maybe it's just the brands that I look at or the stores that I have access to. Because I have wide feet, I find it's really hard to find comfortable shoes. But Frock Box shoes always fit me, and they're always just like a normal size 7. I don't know what it is. So as it turns out, I did opt into the next month's box, and I got the next month's shoe. And you can see them here. Again, they're the same brand as last time, and they still say Yoki in the middle. They were the same price, very similar silhouette of shoe, only this time they're more sandally, and these are actually like elastics, and they just have it's like a leather, fake leather back. There's some cork, there's some plastic. Again, these are size 7, and I think this style is Brenda 25, I don't know. And again, they're all man-made material, and they are made in China again. Hopefully they change up the silhouette a little bit, because if they give you the same kind of like platform wedge, it might get a little old quick. But yeah, same story, very comfortable, perfect fit. These ones have some nice grip. The only thing is, like, when you walk in them, because it's elastic, I find that sometimes my heel pops up, and then I'm like walking on the back of the shoe. I don't know, it's kind of annoying, but if you're just at the office, you're not like walking a ton, they are very pretty. They're chunky, but I also feel like they're nice and feminine. I like the color with the navy, and the cork I really like. I think I get that from my mom, I don't know. Overall, happy with my second purchase as well. I don't like them as much as the first, but I'm still really happy to have them in my shoe collection. And yeah, we'll see. So I'm gonna try these shoes on for you again, but it's nighttime now, so I don't think I'll go outside. We'll see what I do. But let me show you how these look. It's nighttime and it's raining, but we'll try to make this work. Anyway, let's sign off for real. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you enjoyed checking out these shoes with me. And finally, next month, I will have my entire Frock box retrospective. I meant to do it 2 months ago, but then I really wanted to try out the gold box. A lot of you were commenting, asking me to try it out. And then I really wanted to try out the shoe box, and it was just good timing. So huge shout out to my Patreons who helped make these videos possible, and a huge shout out to you guys for watching. And with that, I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!